Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the account settings on your Canva. So here I've already on my Canva, and to change the account setting, you need to go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon at the top, and then here you'll be directed to your account settings, and in here there are so many that you can change. You can change your profile photo, and you can also change your name in Canva, your email address, and you can also change what will you be using on Canva for. You can change, for example, for from personal to non-profit, large company, teacher, student, and others category. And you can also change the language, and you can also uh, add the connected social accounts in this account settings, and you can also change your Canva theme. And here you can also open links in desktop app, and here you can also adjust the accessibility. And if you're done, you can just click on save and go back to your Canva home. Okay, so that's the Canva account setting. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you see this tutorial helpful for you, please click on the thanks below, like, and leave a comment if you had any questions. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.